India, a land of immense diversity, is not just rich in culture, history, and traditions, but also in its geography. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-baked sands of the Thar Desert, the country's varied climate and topography have given rise to a wide range of soil types, each with its own unique characteristics and agricultural significance. Understanding these soil types is crucial for sustainable agriculture and effective land management. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into India's diverse soil types, exploring their geographical distribution, key characteristics, and how they influence agricultural practices. Let's start with alluvial soil. Found predominantly in the northern plains, particularly in the Ganga and Brahmaputra river basins, alluvial soil covers vast areas in states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Assam. Alluvial soil is rich in nutrients, making it highly fertile. It's perfect for growing cereals, pulses, and sugarcane, supporting India's staple crops and food security. Next, we have black soil, also known as Regur soil, which is found mostly in the Deccan Plateau. States like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh are home to this unique soil. Black soil is known for its moisture-retaining capacity and its dark color. It's particularly well-suited for cotton cultivation, which is a major crop in these regions. Moving on to red soil, which is commonly found in the southern and eastern parts of India, such as Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and parts of Maharashtra and West Bengal. Characterized by its reddish color due to iron oxide, red soil is suitable for growing millets, sorghum, and pulses, though it tends to be low in nitrogen content, making it less fertile compared to other soil types. Next, we have laterite soil, typically found in regions like the Western Ghats, the northeastern states, and parts of Odisha and West Bengal. Rich in iron and aluminum but poor in essential nutrients, laterite soil supports crops like tea, coffee, and rubber, which thrive in these nutrient-poor conditions. Next is saline and alkaline soil. Found in the arid and semi-arid regions of India, including parts of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Gujarat, saline and alkaline soil presents a challenge for agriculture. These soils have high salinity, which can significantly limit agricultural productivity. To grow crops here, improved irrigation and soil management practices are essential. Next is peaty and marshy soil. Found in regions with heavy rainfall, especially in coastal areas of Kerala, West Bengal, and the northeastern states, peaty and marshy soil is rich in organic matter. Typically waterlogged, these soils are ideal for paddy cultivation, which thrives in such wet conditions. In the dry, arid region of the Thar Desert, desert soil dominates. Found mainly in Rajasthan, this soil is sandy, dry, and low in fertility. While not very fertile, desert soil supports limited vegetation and is used for growing drought-resistant crops, which are essential in these harsh conditions. Finally, lithosols, or mountain soil, is found in the hilly and mountainous regions, such as the Himalayas and the Western Ghats. These soils are thin, rocky, and contain limited organic material, making them less suitable for agriculture. However, they play a crucial role in supporting the delicate ecosystems of these high-altitude regions. India's diverse climatic conditions and topographies have given rise to these unique soil types, each with its own characteristics that influence the crops that can be grown in different regions. By understanding the significance of each soil type, we can ensure more sustainable and efficient agricultural practices that support the country's ever-growing population. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into India's rich agricultural heritage. Let us know in the comments which soil type you find most interesting.